How to clean Alcantara. Probably a top 5 question that I get asked on modern cars is how to clean things on the interior. One of the biggest ones is Alcantara. It's very confusing. We got the answers. Come along, let's clean up this Lexus GSF. So, what do we have here to clean Alcantara? This has a little, you can see a little body oil. It's gonna be hard to catch on camera. This is just pure Alcantara. It's all over the interior. What is one of the things that I want to make clear? We have Revive in our 32-ounce bottle. You can get it in a 16. I just label the top of my triggers. I've always done that. I got a utility towel. I also have this Master Blaster. Okay, you can just use it compressed air. If you don't have any of these, any compressed air, don't worry about it. We're going to show you. But then we also have the Scrub Ninja. Okay, just to agitate this and get it clean. Here's one of the most important things. First, the cleaner is important. No APCs, nothing with heavy protection in it, anything that has like, that would leave like a dressed look on plastics, whatever. That's a no-go on Alcantara. So the big thing with Alcantara is you want the cleanest cleaner you can find that's also not something like an APC. APCs have this very harsh ingredient list. This is where Revive, it can work on everything in this interior, including Alcantara. So I'm going to show you how to deal with Alcantara. I'm going to walk you through it. I'll bring you in a little bit closer. It's kind of hard to get everything on camera when it comes to the interior. So I'm going to bring you in. We got Alcantara everywhere, and I'm going to show you a really simple process, okay? First and foremost, I'm never going to spray product directly into the Alcantara. I see a lot of people use like foamers. You can do that, but here's what you want to do. Take your Scrub Ninja, just a light amount of product so it's just damp on the surface, okay? We don't want to oversaturate this. Then we're just going to scrub it lightly. I know it sounds a little more aggressive than it is. We're going to scrub lightly, get all these touch points, okay? And we're going to go in and we're going to dry all that out, okay? The thing with Alcantara that you don't ever want to really have is you don't want to have an oversaturation or have to get a bunch of water out. So then you can take something like the Master Blaster. You could take something like just compressed air out of your air compressor. And this isn't a necessary part, but let's go ahead and do it anyway. This Master Blaster has heated air. This is dry to the touch now, okay? If it's not dry to the touch and you don't have compressed air, just make sure it's not saturated. And what you'll see is we have fluffed up the fibers again. We've made it really easy. There was some body lotion or some suntan lotion right here. That's now gone. The number one thing, once you have Alcantara that's kind of really destroyed and neglected, you can actually sand it. Most people don't know that and get down to newer fibers. But the best way to do this is just maintain it, but don't use something improperly here because it'll get kind of crusty. That's why you don't use things like APC. It'll crust up these fibers. They're dry, they're soft, they're ready to go.